Alright, got a picket fence delivery here. How we doing?
How are you?
Good. So
Just bring it up here as close to the garage as you can, and we'll haul it through the back.
So I have 3 different items. I have your pallet of concrete.
Yep.
I have the long lumber there, and then I got 2 bunks of pickets, but one of them's real small. I could put on top of the bigger bunk.
It's coming on a separate shipment, they said.
Well, it is. I picked up out of 2 stores, so technically,
You got them all.
for me,
Good.
they have to pay me for 2 deliveries if I pick up out of 2 stores.
Oh, lucky for you.
Yeah.
Good.
No. So, do you have a preference what I bring up first?
Well, I was just thinking, this thing won't go in the garage, will it?
No, it won't.
Because that concrete I want to keep in the garage, but we'll just have to restack it. It's only 20.
Well, I can bring that up first.
It's only 25 bags.
Yeah.
So it's not a big deal. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, maybe bring it up and set it over here.
So over to the right?
The other ones will just set here.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll work.
All right. Plan here, nice and easy picket fence delivery. We get this concrete up there first. It's got kind of an interesting garage. It just shoots through to the backyard there. It's kind of cool. You want me to get it under the cover there?
Yes.
I can get it a little farther. All right. They're already going to work. You don't get customers very often to start tearing into it as soon as you drop it. Alright, so probably going to get the long one first out of the way. Get this set along to the left side of the driveway. Got some nice lumber here. Nice redwood. They say they can go too cheap with having the wood fence. across the room. So when they set this big bunk of pickets down, it kind of rested against my small bunk. So I'm going to move this back a little bit because I want to get the small bunk first. Actually, you know what? No, I'm going to pick this first and then just set the other one on top. Just make it too much work doing it the other way. We'll just go with this. Yeah, they set it on top of that other bunk and kind of ruined the top board there. But it's alright. They have a right to exchange whatever they don't like out of these boards anyways. Some of them might be split, damaged, whatever. We don't have time to pick through all of them, so. This one I have to set out here, then put the other one on top. It's a little heavier. Did they charge you for that pallet?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay, because you get a refund on those if they charge you for them. There'd be a pallet fee on your receipt. No. Otherwise, I could take it back to the store if you don't want it.
I honestly don't recall. Let me
Go ahead and check, because if you don't want it, if you don't want to deal with it, I could just take it back.
Yeah, that's what I
So,
was hoping. But
just grab your receipt. We'll look at it. Those are normally the pallets that the store wants back. And they'll charge a pallet fee of 20 bucks, 15 bucks, 25 bucks, whatever it says on the side of it. But they don't always charge the customer, so if they have a pallet fee, they gotta return it themselves to get their money back. Otherwise, if they don't want it, I could do them a favor and take it back for them. And I don't know if the company that delivers a quick treat, if they charge Home Depot or not for pallets. I have no idea. If anybody knows, let me know. Can you slide that over real quick? All right. You don't see a pallet fee? You got your receipt on you?
yeah.
I'll look at it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because you see the prices on the side of that pallet. If they were to charge you that, you'd have to take it back to the store to get that money back. Oh, it's on your phone?
Yeah, it's on the phone. I don't see it.
It'll say pallet fee on there.
Yeah, I don't see
Nope, that's your phone code.
it. Delivery fee.
They didn't charge you for it. So, I mean, if you want it, it's yours. If not, I can take it back.
No,
Whatever you want to do.
Back if you don't mind.
Yeah, okay.
Get it out of here. We got enough shit to worry about.
Yeah, I mean, the Quick Treat company wants them back because they normally have it.
Sure.
It's $20.
Oh yeah.
That's what they would charge.
Yeah.
That's like crazy.
Guess I can take it back for $20.
You have to have your.
Oh, I have to have a receipt.
Yeah, of course.
You have to have your receipt for everything now. They don't do the just return it and they'll take it back anymore. They got taken advantage of a little too much.
Oh, I can see that, yeah.
People were stealing stuff and
I was
taking
gonna say,
it
there's
right to the
always
front desk.
those that make it difficult for
Yeah, that's true.
everybody else.
Yeah.
Alright. Then you just work quick. Normally the stuff doesn't come off the pallets until I'm done. You have this fence done by this afternoon, huh?
Oh, I
Yeah.
wish. Hey, wouldn't that be nice?
There was a faster way to do posts.
Alright, well all I had to do is get all my photos of everything. Does everything look correct? Well, if you go through the lumber too and you don't like any of it, you know, you can exchange it.
Okay.
But they picked out some really nice redwood.
Looks good.
It looks really nice.
All of it actually looks really nice.
Yeah, you must have got it fresh off the tree.
Yeah. Well,
Probably.
I hope it's
Nowadays?
not, I hope it's not too fresh up there.
Yeah, I know. It's a little wet, but yeah. But I take the picture so it has a count and it goes in the Home Depot system. So if you're missing anything's off, it's all recorded on my end at least.
Sure. Okay.
All right?
Excellent.
Okay, guys. I'm
Thank
gonna
you
get
so
that.
much.
Yeah, you're
Have a
welcome.
great day.
I'll get that pallet out of here for you.
All right.
Easy delivery. Those people were quick. They had all that concrete unloaded before I even had my delivery done. I was trying to help them out, keep it covered. They didn't really need the help. They'd already unloaded it anyways. Alright, so that's that one. Picket fence, easy stop. Give me a like and subscribe if you're new, and give me a comment if you know anything about those pallets. If anybody knows if Quick Treat Company charges a store when they deliver those. I have no idea. I'd like to know. But catch you guys later.